Hello again, 7th graders. This video is to give you verbal directions for today's assignment. Miss Collier posted the assignment and message this morning. If you click into it at the top of our Google Classroom page, you should be brought to the instructions page. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you can read it. Today's assignment is to read the Hurricane of 1900 nonfiction article that is in your packets. If you do not have the packet, the PDF is attached to the assignment. The PDF is actually located right here. If you click on the link, it will open up the PDF. After reading the nonfiction article, create a list of 10 to 15 unfamiliar words in a Google document. To do that, you can create your own Google document, or you can use mine. If you click on this link, you'll see a graphic organizer with the instructions, the link to wordcentral.com, an example that I took from the article, and then room for you to do your 10 to 15 words. In order to make a copy, all you would need to do is click on File and then click on Make a Copy. And then you can just push OK. And it should make a copy for yourself. In which case, you'll just put your name down and then you can upload it to the assignment. So I'm just going to restate that one more time. Your assignment today is to read the article of 1900. The article is located right here. And then you should use the Google document to record your words. The directions are also repeated right here. Also, Ms. Collier and I would like you to know, submit the assignment. No new IXLs will be due today, so please complete what has been already assigned. Anything that is not due will receive zeros on Monday. IXL that were assigned are CC1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5th grade EE1, EE2, and 6th grade QQ1, QQ2, and QQ3. Pardon me. Slight error in my recording. If you would like to receive extra credit, just email me and tell me what your assignment is for today. You do not need to include the IXL assignments. Please use your time wisely. I'll be back on Friday, so if you have any questions, you can email me on Friday. Thank you and have a good day. You could also email me if you have any questions, and I will be online today if you want to meet face-to-face to talk about your assignments. Just send me an email and then I can set up a meeting. Also, for those of you that want to read the article out loud, I have uploaded a recording of myself reading the article. It is just under 6 minutes long, and I was reading the article pretty slowly. So that should give you a judge or an estimate to how long it should take you to read this article. I would guess it would take you anywhere between 6 to 10 minutes to read the article. And if you follow along with me as you read, then it should take you less than 6 minutes. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Have a good day, kids, and stay safe.